Dr. Carrasco to kindly go ahead and speak about the Bajika.
Rare Lakshmi scheme, where it was said that every woman of every household will be getting 5,000 per month. Now, the question is, most of the opposite parties started questioning this, how it is possible, from where are they going to give it. So TMC has said, within 250 days of coming to power, they would make a provision in the budget which would take care of this scheme. So 5% of the budget would be laid towards financing of the scheme. So it's not so difficult the way the opposition are talking about. So looking at this, it is possible that this scheme is going to be happening, and most of the women of Goa are going to benefit out of it. Now the question is, now TMC thought about the youth, because unemployment is a major concern in Goa. Goa has the highest number of unemployment, although we are a small state. We have the highest percentage of unemployed people in Goa, means the younger generation. So TMC has formulated another scheme where they have said that if the unemployed youth want to start any business, or maybe some business, or maybe a taxi business, or maybe buy a car, or maybe trying a stall, or putting up some business, the government is ready to give them 20 lakhs loan without any collateral security at the rate of 4% interest. Now in this also there is a project made by the TMC saying that as soon as we come to power, we will see that we make a provision in the budget, and this will be formulated. So looking at this scheme, our youth of Goa, especially the younger generation, have an opportunity to start their life, because getting employment and everybody running for government job is not possible. No government is possible to give everybody a government job. But making them self-sufficient and making them stand on their feet is possible. So with the little help that TMC can do, it's not a little help, because if they want to take loans also, they ask to be some collateral security. So no bank is ready to finance anybody without any collateral security. But TMC has said that they would stand surety to the bank with their collateral, and they would see that bank finance. Looking at this, the youth of Goa have an opportunity to get self-employed. Thirdly, the third scheme which is come is the Malkiya Majikar. That scheme, Majikar Malkiya, then in that scheme, it's not like the Bhumipitra scheme which had been introduced by the government just for the sake of introducing it, which had no rhymes or reasons how it would be worked out, who is going to bear the cost. It was just an election gimmick what the previous government had done, the current government I mean. So in this scheme, the TMC has said that they will make a provision of 1,500 crores, and with this 1,500 crores, they will assist the illegal people, the people staying in illegal houses which are not there in their name. They will give them a legal title and ownership of those houses. The people will not have to contribute, but the government will be financing the scheme, and they will see that they pay the landowners, because here the landowners were not to be paid by the Bhumipitra bill. Then nothing was spoke about the landowners, how they would get their money back and all for the illegal occupation of their land. Here the government is working up a scheme where the landowners also would be taken care of, where there would be no opposition from the landowners, and the people staying in these houses and all would get legal rights over their houses. So this ownership of houses will happen. Besides this, there are a lot of people in Goa who are homeless. They have not built any house, they don't have any, they are staying rented here and there. So TMC has come with another scheme. They said they've come out with a housing scheme. They will subsidize houses and build and give them houses so that they can stay. So that nobody in Goa is going to be homeless. So they have thought of all these things. As Kirti Azad just said, Roti, Kapra or Makan is the same saying that we go that these three things will be taken care of. If you go to see, it's going to be an interest-free loan. If you have a lady in the house and who's going to get 5,000 every month, so that 5,000 could take care of the interest on your 20 lakhs of 4%. So looking at this, it's an absolutely free loan where everybody will take the benefit. So I would like the people of Goa to accept TMC as an alternative government to the BJP and the Congress, because none of the previous governments have this type of scheme, and these schemes are possible. It is not something shot in the air that it will not happen and this is not possible the way the other governments are talking about, especially the BJP and the Congress saying that this thing cannot happen. But these things are systematically worked out. People have gone in the field, they have done a survey, and they estimated what is the cost and how many people are affected by it, and how many people will have to be compensated. So looking at this, I feel that the Goan population should accept AMC. Thank you.
योजनाओं के बारे में हमने बात की है. The schemes that we have spoken about is that the Grih Lakshmi scheme would cost approximately 2100 crore to the budget. Yuva Shakti will cost 1080 1080 और बाजी घर बल्कि हक 150 करोड़. यह कुल मिलाकर गोवा के टोटल बजट का 12% भी नहीं होगा. इसलिए कहीं कोई एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन नहीं